bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. So I had a request by a friend after teaching some friends how to make kombucha. They were asking me about my SCOBY, and they were like, well, I was going to order one, and I'm like, don't do that, you can make your own. They were like, well, how do you do that? And I realized that I hadn't done a video on how to make your own SCOBY, and I was like, I'll make a video on how to do that because it's really easy. There is no need to go and purchase one off Amazon, or especially when you don't know who's done it or anything, when you can do it yourself. It is actually extremely easy, and it starts with just buying some tea. I bought this at Aldi. It's just regular black tea. You can use organic tea. You can use whatever you want. It starts out, I've got 6 tea bags. I'm just going to put this in some water and cook it on the stove, and then we'll come right back for the next step. Okay, I have my tea made. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of just regular white sugar. I'm almost out of sugar. And you want your tea hot, so it'll completely dissolve. I'm just going to stir it until your sugar is completely, just like if you were making sweet tea. Now, if y'all don't know, the benefits of kombucha are just phenomenal. It's good for your gut health and your immune system. It's got just amazing probiotics in it. The problem with what you buy at the store, it's extremely expensive. I paid $3 for this bottle. What you can make at home is extremely inexpensive. And the cool thing about it, because I had been making kombucha for a while, and then we just kind of got burnt out on it, you know. My SCOBY lived in my closet for months and did just fine. It became a SCOBY hotel. So leave it up there for a while, she'll be fine. Feed her every once in a while. Yes, I called it a sheep. I know, it's okay. I named a lot of stuff around here. I named my sourdough too, Aubrey. I'm really not crazy. I'm really not. Ask my teenage daughter. She might argue that. She thinks I'm crazy as a loon. My husband questions it sometimes too. It's okay. I'm a going to be a crazy chicken lady. You know, there's crazy cat ladies. I probably should get a funnel. I'm gonna get a funnel, because if I don't, we might have tea everywhere. Papa's gonna get me a funnel, because he's kind of cool like that. Did y'all see my t-shirts? I have t-shirts now. And we're gonna put this in here, and then I'm just gonna let this cool, because you really don't want the hot tea. Now, when you're actually making kombucha, you really need to let it completely cool down, because it will, if you mix hot tea with your SCOBY, it will kill your SCOBY. So I'm gonna let this sit here and come to room temperature. So my tea is cooled down. This is really easy, guys. You take just a bottle of store-bought kombucha that I got at my local supermarket. It really don't matter what brand, what flavor, it just doesn't matter. Last time when I did this originally, I think I got a berry one, so my SCOBY turned out red. This one I didn't get. I tried to get a neutral color one just so the SCOBY would be neutral. Don't shake this up. This is carbonated. I made that mistake the first time and it exploded on me. Just FYI. Alright, so I went ahead and brewed up another batch of tea. And you're just going to divide it between the two, if you do the two jars. I'm making one up for a friend. Actually, because I have a SCOBY hotel in my closet. Both these will end up going to friends, so. I'm just dividing these up. And you want to get there's stuff on the bottom, you want to be sure and kind of get that off there. And you're just going to cover this up. You can use cheesecloth. I'm just using a coffee filter or cloth, and I'm just using a rubber band, hair bands. You can use string, but you want to get this covered up because, you know, fruit flies will get in it if you don't. And then you're going to want to put it, I grow mine in my closet, my hall closet, or in your pantry. You want it in a dark place away from everything. And you're going to leave it alone for a couple of weeks. And then you'll start growing a SCOBY on top. And then you're going to want to bring it back and feed it. So I will bring you back in a couple of weeks and I'll show you what it looks like. And then you can start making kombucha with it. It is super easy. I've got how to make kombucha videos. They were some of the very first videos that I did. And honestly, they're not my favorite videos, but I was brand spanking new to YouTube. So, you know, hey, we all had to start somewhere, right? And I'm still brand spanking new to YouTube, but I hope I do a whole lot better videos now than I did then. So I may redo those as these progress. I may redo those videos. So anyway, that's how you can make your own SCOBYs. It's super easy, guys. Don't go pay somebody else to do it when you can do it yourself. Anyway, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoy. God bless. We'll see you on the next video.
We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.